Good morning. Today I'm taking you on a little bit of an adventure. So we're heading up to LA. I can't talk to you all about the details because it's tied to an event and a show that will be coming out in the future.
Can we get it?
What's that?
Can we get the picture?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. I think I've bought us another half an hour or so.
Oh, perfect.
I just think this is going really well, and I think we need to finish the story in order for this to work, so it's worth.
Yeah. What I can tell you is that we're going to what we would call the home of counterfeit goods, which is Santee Alley. And we're going to be out there doing some inspections, some work, and I'm be giving some expertise as it relates to some buys. Santee Alley is really the hotbed for the initial pirated movies and DVDs, luxury goods and things like that. There's different areas up there. Today we'll be really on the alley area, the open air market, but stick with us. I'm going to be shedding some light on the counterfeiting space, what's going on currently, the difference between gray market infringing goods and counterfeit goods, so stick with me. So I'm down here in the mecca of counterfeiting, Santee Alley. I'm down here on a special project consulting on a where we're working with folks specifically in the area of cosmetics as it relates to counterfeit goods. So down here you'll find evidence of luxury handbags, cell phone accessories, any type of clothing items, but really Santee Alley is the mecca. So stick with us throughout the day. Alright, so I made it back from Los Angeles, working on a little project of this TV show that I'm consulting on, which will be coming out in a few months. I'll keep you posted on that. But some key takeaways in being down at the alley there in Los Angeles is that there's a ton of counterfeit goods present, handbags, iPhone cases, unlicensed goods like t-shirts and other things. And we also were able to pick up some cosmetics. In talking to some of the people down there, it's clear that there's an expectation that the products being sold are counterfeit or infringing, and there's no expectation the genuine is there. They're happy to sell either to you. They're trying to make a buck, and the traffic there was, for a summer day, was pretty solid in terms of the amount of people buying products. So again, this was a special project that I'm consulting on. It was a good chance to get back down to Santee Alley and get a sense of what's going on. Stay tuned in the future for updates when the show goes live. Happy to share those with you. Thanks.